Hi guys, I'm bringing you along as I get ready for my Polar Express party for my coworker and her two grandsons. So the first thing we're doing is I'm making some Gordon Food Services pre-cut cookies. Now I baked a bunch of adult cookies, but I think the boys will enjoy this better. And they come pre-shaped. So I'm going to put some out. I don't know how many I'm going to make yet. But we need to have room. Maybe I'll do them this way. I was shooting for like a dozen. Because I think that will be good. What do you think? And we're going to bake them up. I'll probably do 2 trays. So we're going to stick these in the oven. And then I'm going to let them cool, and before they get here, they'll be all cool and they can frost these and take them home. And then I'm going to finish tidying up the kitchen and I'll show you how I'm decorating. Alright, first batch of cookies are out. You really just want them like lightly browned on the bottom. And they really hold their shape if you take them right out of the freezer. Now I don't know, see if you want to see the bottom. If GFS are everywhere, I don't know that answer. I do know they're here in Ohio, but I want these to be soft. So, I got the box back out. We're going to do the last. Now, this is 72 cookies, and it was $10. But this is perfect for little guys, or if you're having family over to do a Christmas decorating night. Because this is the hard part for some folk, and it's already done. Now, I'll freeze the rest of these cookies and probably take them to my cousin, or maybe I'll bake them up when I'm ready to put my cookie trays together. I don't know. That one's going to bake. These are going to cool. And they'll be nice and soft. They smell delicious. And then I bought some frosting, but I'll show you that in a little bit. All right, everybody. Welcome to my home. I'm getting ready for my Polar Express party with my coworker and her 2 little grandkids. I will put the fireplace on before they get here, so I'll be here in a couple minutes. And light the candles. There's the cat in his bed. That's Wellington. So I need to get the fire going, light some candles. My tree is all lit up. I have it on a timer, but I've unhooked the timer. And those are all my Christmas card making stuff. Alright, so we're going to watch the Polar Express. And there's Alex. But first, when they get here, we're going to decorate some cookies, which I think I showed you that I baked. And they'll each have a cup of frosting, some M&Ms, and some sprinkles. They're 3 and 5, so I didn't go too crazy with options and decorating stuff. There's the top of my hutch in here. Well, it's actually a pantry. I keep my spices and coffees and teas in there. And then we're going to have hot chocolate, and I have a can of whipped cream in the fridge. These are the little Dollar Tree cups I got them. This tray is from the Dollar Tree. We have hot chocolate and tea from my friend Kelly. And this tin. Cups, marshmallows, candy canes. For the show, when we put the movie on, I'm going to make some popcorn for the boys. Yeah, so this is it. We are all set. I'm getting the water hot, so when they get here and I turn it on, it'll be warm and it won't take as long. I got this yesterday at Aldi. I hope it's good. It was a little expensive for 12 cups of coffee. It was $8, $7. But there's Santa Blend, gingerbread, Christmas cookie, peppermint mocha, Java jingle, spiced eggnog, butter rum, coconut blizzard, candy cane, fudge, cinnamon roll, and roasted chestnuts. So that's for me. Yeah. And then I have to do my advent calendar. I can open it with you. Here is day 1. So I just pull off day 1. Take my sticker off. I have 2 sets of stickers on here. And let's see what flavor tea we got today. Ooh, my favorite. Or one of my favorites. I got Twinings French Vanilla. I'll have that when my friend is here. It's black tea, vanilla, savory spices, cinnamon, cardamom, clove. That is perfect. So that is everything I did to get ready for. Oh, I taped them on for the kids. And then once we're done, I'm going to my cousin's house to get ready for. Oh, we're going to make cookies and then watch the football game. So I thought I would just show you how I got ready to do the little Polar Express. Oh, I love these. Those are from Target, too. All right, everybody. Have a fabulous day.